If you are having one of these errors, follow this method. The first thing you need to do is open your favorite browser, go to Google and search for msvcrt.dll. You can choose any result you want. In this case, I am choosing the first one. I'll put the link in the description. You can see few download options based on the computer architecture and version. If you don't know, click on Start and search for system information. You can see mine is a 64-bit PC and you can see my version as well. So in this case, I'll be downloading the first one. I highly recommend you to read this page. It has other fixing method also. As the download completes, open the file. This is a zip file. When you open it, you can see the DLL file in it. In order to move the DLL, first open this PC, then local disk C, Windows, and find a folder named System32. Here it is. Then click on the downloaded zip, drag the DLL and drop, and click on continue to give administrator access. Go back and find another folder named syswall64. Then click on the downloaded zip, drag the DLL and drop, and click on continue. And finally, restart your computer. This is the summary of the process. In some special cases, if the error occurs, you need to go to Google and Microsoft website and install Microsoft Visual Studio and Microsoft DirectX. It has installation instruction as well. And do not forget to like and subscribe.